Hi students, let us continue our previous section. In the previous section we discussed exercise 3.3 question number 1 to 5. Today we are going to discuss the remaining some questions 6 onwards. Okay, let us start our question number 6. Here the question is cos pi by 4 minus x cos pi by 4 minus 1 minus sin pi by 4 minus x, sin pi by 4 minus y as sin x plus y. We want to prove this as sin x plus y. I read once more. Cos pi by 4 minus x, cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x, sin pi by 4 minus y as sin x plus y. Then first of all take the left hand side. LHS implies cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y. Can you connect with any formula? This is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. What is cos x cos y? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Double opposite sign. What's the formula for cos x cos y minus sin x sin y? Yes. But cos x plus y. What is cos x plus y? Cos double and opposite sign. Here the minus, here plus. Cos x plus cos y as cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. This is our formula. Here we can take this x as pi by 4 minus x and here y as pi by 4 minus y. So we can rewrite this as cos x plus y. Okay, this implies connect with cos x plus y. What is x? Pi by 4 minus x plus pi by 4 minus y. This cos x plus y, cos x plus y. This is x, this is y. Okay. So we can add cos. What is pi by 4 plus pi by 4? Pi by 4 plus pi by 4 as 2 pi by 4 equal to pi by 2. Okay, pi by 2. This pi by 4 plus pi by 4 as pi by 2. Here both are minus. Take minus outside, minus x plus y. Here minus x minus y. Take minus as common, minus of x plus y. When we have opened this bracket, minus x minus y. Okay. Cos pi by 4 plus pi by 4, pi by 2 minus of x plus y. Cos pi by 2 minus x plus y. What's the formula? Cos pi by 2 minus theta. cos pi by 2 minus theta or cos 90 minus theta. In 10th standard you studied about this formula. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, representing y-axis opposite sign. Then 90 minus theta represent first quadrant. All are positive. So we can write this as sin theta. So this is sin. Here the theta is x plus y. Sin x plus y. This is our record RHS. This is RHS. Okay. So cos x cos y minus sin x sin y is cos x plus y. Cos x plus y. Here the x is pi by 4 minus x and y is pi by 4 minus y. When we are adding, you get cos 90 minus theta. Cos pi by 2 minus theta. Cos pi by 2 minus theta is sin theta. Here theta is x plus y. Okay. Clear? Next question. Tan pi by 4 plus x by tan pi by 4 minus x equal 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x the whole square. Okay. Here the LHS is tan pi by 4 plus x by tan pi by 4 minus x. You know the formula tan x plus y and tan x minus y. What is tan x plus y? Tan x plus y is tan x plus y is tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x tan y. Then what is tan x minus y? Tan x minus y is tan x minus tan y by 1 plus tan x tan y. This one formula, this another formula. Okay. By using this formula, you can write tan x tan pi by 4 plus tan x by 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan x. The all divided by this is tan x minus y. Tan pi by 4 minus tan x by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. Then what is the value of tan pi by 4? Tan pi by 4 is tan 45, that is 1. Tan pi by 4 is 1. So here substitute that value. Instead of tan pi by 4, 1. 1 plus tan x by 1 minus 1 into tan x by 1 minus tan x by 1 plus 1 into tan x. So taking the reciprocal, 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x into this comes the numerator 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x equal 1 plus tan x into 1 plus tan x, 1 plus tan x the whole square by 1 minus tan x into 1 minus tan x, 1 minus tan x the whole square. This can be rewritten 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x the whole square. Okay, this is our RHS. 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x the whole square. Clear? First of all, write the LHS. LHS tan x plus y, x minus y. So write the formula tan x plus y and tan x minus y. Instead of x, pi by 4, y is x. Tan pi by 4 plus tan x by 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan x. The all divided by this. Tan pi by 4 minus tan x by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. After substituting the values, you get 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x by 1 minus tan x into 1 plus tan x. Taking the reciprocal and rearrange 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x, this all square. Okay. Clear? The next question. The next question, question number 8. Cos pi plus x into cos minus x by sin pi minus x into cos pi by 2 plus x as cot square x. We want to prove this as cot square x. The first one, cos pi by x. Sorry, cos pi plus x. Cos pi plus x. Cos pi plus x. Pi plus x as pi plus theta as third quadrant. Here, all students take tan and cot as positive, cos as negative. And x as x-axis, this is same function. Here the answer is minus cos x. Cos pi plus x as minus cos x. Okay. Here, what is cos minus x? Cos minus x. Cos and sec as positive. Cos minus x as cos x. Okay. Then the denominator sin pi minus x. Sin pi minus x. Pi minus x as pi minus theta in second quadrant. Here sin and cosec is positive. This is positive. And x as pi as x coordinates. Here pi as x coordinate. So same function. This is sin x. Sin on t minus theta or sin pi minus theta is sin x. Pi minus theta in second quadrant. Sin is positive. Pi as same function. So pi minus x is sin x. Clear? Then cot pi by 2 cos pi by 2 plus x. Cos pi by 2 plus x. This is pi by 2 plus theta, second quadrant. This is pi by 2 minus theta, pi by 2 plus theta, second quadrant. Pi by 2 in y-axis, function will change. And only sin and cosec is positive, this function is cos negative. So minus sin x. Pi by 2 is opposite function. Cos change to opposite sign. Cos pi by 2 plus x minus sin x. Okay, clear? So we can rewrite this as cos pi plus x as minus cos x. Here the LHS, we rewrite LHS as cos pi plus x cos minus x all divided by sin pi minus x cos pi by 2 plus x equal cos pi plus x as minus cos x, cos minus x as cos x by sin pi minus x as sin x, cos pi by 2 plus x as minus sin x, cos x into cos x, cos square x minus cos square x by sin x into sin x, sin square x, this minus sin square x, this 2 minus change into plus, then cos square x by sin square x, cos x by sin x is cot x, cot square x, this is cos x by sin x as cot x, so cos square x by sin square x as cot square x. Clear? Question number 9. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus x into cos 2 pi plus x into cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x as 1. We want to prove this as 1. Here LHS as cos 3 pi by 2 plus x cos 2 pi plus x into cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x. You want to prove this as 1. Okay. Here cos 3 pi by 2 plus x's. In which quadrant? This is 270 plus theta or 3 pi by 2 plus theta in fourth quadrant. Here the fourth quadrant cos and sec is positive. Okay, and this is 3 pi by 2 representing y-axis. So, opposite function, this can be written here cos positive sin x. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus x or cos 270 plus theta is sin theta. The next one, cos 2 pi plus x. 2 pi in here x-axis 2 pi. 2 pi plus theta in first quadrant. 2 pi is same function. The integral multiples of pi is same function. So cos x, this is cos x. Clear? Then this one, cot. Cot 3 pi by 2 minus x. 3 pi by 2 minus x. 3 pi by 2 minus theta in third quadrant. Here tan and cot is positive. 3 pi by 2 opposite function. So this is tan x, positive tan x. And last one, cot 2 pi plus x. Cot 2 pi plus x is first quadrant 2 pi. Same function, that is cot x, positive cot x. Here one more, cos 3 pi by 2 plus x is fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos and sec is positive and 3 pi by 2 is opposite function. So we can write this as sin x. This is 2 pi plus x as first quadrant. First quadrant all are positive and 2 pi is same function cos x. Okay. Then this one 3 pi by 2 minus x. 3 pi by 2 minus x in third quadrant. In third quadrant all students take tan and cot as positive. This is called 3 pi by 2 opposite function. This is tan x. Clear? The last one, cot 2 pi plus x. 2 pi plus theta is first quadrant. First quadrant. This is second quadrant. Then 2 pi same function. All are positive. Cot x. Then substitute here. This is sin x into cos x. Here 3 pi by 2 minus x is tan x plus cot x. Okay. Then we can write this sin x cos x. This is sin x equal tan x equal sin x by cos x. Sin x by cos x plus cot x is cos x by sin x. Okay. Then taking the LCM here, sin x cos x. This is sin square x plus cos square x by cos x sin. Here the multiplication, so here cancel cos x and sin x sin x. What is sin square x plus cos square x? That becomes 1. Here the answer is 1. Clear? I think this question is studied in the 10th standard. Okay. Here, this part, the last part you studied in the 10th standard. This is sin x cos x, tan x rewrite in the sin x by cos x, cot x as cos x by sin x. Then taking the LCM here, the multiple product of the denominator cos x into sin x. Then cross multiplication sin square x plus cos square x. Okay. Then we can here the multiplication, so we can cancel this as. Then the remaining sin square x plus cos square x is 1. Clear? Then this part cos 3 pi by 2 plus x is sin x. Cos 2 pi plus x is cos x. 3 pi by 2 minus x is tan x. Cot 2 pi plus x is cot x. Here 3 pi by 2 plus x in fourth quadrant. Only cos and sec is positive. 3 pi by 2 opposite sign. So this is positive sin x. Here first quadrant, same function 2 pi same function, all are positive, so cos x. Here third quadrant, 3 pi by 2 minus x is third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan and cot is only positive. Here positive, opposite function cot change it to tan x. Here 2 pi again, first quadrant, same function, all are positive, cot x. Okay, clear? The next question number 10. Sin n plus 1x, sin n plus 2x plus cos n plus 1 into x, cos n plus 2 into x as cos x. Okay. Here sin n plus 1 into x, sin n plus 2 into x. Cos n plus 1 into x, cos n plus 1 into x, n plus 2 into x, as we want to prove cos x. Can it connect with any formula? Double plus again double. Cos comes double and opposite sign. So can you connect with cos x minus y? What is cos x minus y? Cos x, cos y plus sin x, sin y. Okay. Cos x, cos y plus sin x, sin y as cos x minus y. Here we can connect this x as n plus 1 into x and y as n plus 2 into x. Okay. Instead of x, we can write n plus 1 into x and y as n plus 2 into x. Okay. So, this can be rewrite LHS as sin n plus 1 into x, sin n plus 2 into x plus cos n plus 1 into x, cos n plus 2 into x. This sin x, sin y, sin x, sin y plus cos x, cos y. Okay. Here the answer is, what is cos x minus y? Cos x as n plus 1 into x minus n plus 2 into x. Okay. Here the outermost bracket is always square bracket. Okay. Then cos, here calculate this as, simplify this as n plus 1 into x. So we can write nx, open this bracket, nx plus x. Okay. Then here this minus is common to these two terms, minus nx, then minus 2x. Here plus nx minus nx cancel. This is minus x. Okay. Minus x. Minus x. So we can write cos minus x. What is cos minus x? Cos minus x is cos x. Our answer is, our RHS is, we want to prove cos x. Hence prove. Here sin x, sin y plus cos x, cos y as cos x minus y. Use the formula cos x minus y. Here cos x minus y is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. So this is cos x minus y. Instead of x as n plus 1 into x, this y is n plus 2 into x. Okay. Here x n plus 1 into x minus of n plus 2 into x. Here the minus is common to these two terms, n plus 1 into x. So open this bracket, nx plus x. Here minus x into n minus nx minus x into 2 minus 2x. Here nx and minus nx cancel. X minus 2 as minus x, cos minus x. One of the formula is cos minus x as cos x. Cos minus x and sec minus x are minus. change it to plus. Cos x. The other trigonometric functions are negative. Here only cos minus x and sec minus x is positive. Here cos minus x comes cos x. Clear? Okay. Today's class is over. Your homework, page number 71, question number 13, 14 and 15. Okay. Try to do the homework. If you feel any difficulties, I will help you. Thank you.